Want to call internationally using H2O Wireless? It's straightforward. First, dial 011, which is the US International Access Code. For example, calling the UK would be 011-4420-XXXXX. Keep in mind that H2O Wireless charges per minute for international calls, and rates vary. As of September 2025, you might pay around 99 cents per minute to Canada, but nearly $3 per minute to India. Check the H2O Wireless app for the most up-to-date rates for your destination. Also, be aware that calls are billed in full-minute increments, and there might be a small connection fee. To save on international calls, consider H2O Wireless add-on plans. A 100-minute international bundle costs around $15 and is valid for 30 days. Alternatively, an unlimited international minute plan for select countries might be available for around $10 a month. To avoid cellular charges completely, use Wi-Fi calling whenever possible. This lets you make calls over a Wi-Fi network instead of using your cellular data or minutes. Free apps like WhatsApp or Google Voice are other options, but be aware that H2O Wireless may charge you for the data used. Finally, enable billing alerts to monitor your usage and prevent unexpected overage charges. By using these tips, you can stay connected internationally without breaking the bank.